What did this? I don't know what this camera just did, but hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I think this is my first video of the year. Well, like full video. I did like a short or whatever, but anywho, so in today's video, we are going to be doing a try-on haul for the Fenty Beauty Soft Lit Naturally Luminous Long Wear Foundation. I have been butchering this thing, calling it everything but what it's called. So yeah. Boop. I'm sure you've seen this already. All the girlies are talking about it. I'm just late to the party. So yeah. You want to see what it looks like, what my thoughts are, blah, 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 blah. Just keep watching. So there we go. We're going to start with our MAC primer. Oh, I feel like it's a lot of background noise. So. And of course my phone wants to fucking go off because yeah. But now we're gonna use the Fenty Beauty Soft Lit Naturally Luminous Longwear Foundation, and I am in the shade 330. This is also the shade that I wear in her matte foundation, if I'm not mistaken. But I think I mixed those two, so. Okay, so it says shake well. And don't talk about my brushes because they're a little dirty, but you know, whatever. Let's put it on our face. Okay, 2 pumps. Okay, good. It doesn't really have a smell to it. So this is what we got. Let me zoom in so y'all can really see my face. And I feel like the window. Let's close that. Yeah. Much better. Ooh, she is giving. Oh God, she is giving yellow orange. Yeah, not like all in my face. She is giving yellow, baby, yellow. No. That is super yellow. I hope this doesn't oxidize. And the crazy part is I actually tried this in the store. And I don't remember looking this yellow. Yeah, a little more light. But baby. Oh my God. That is yellow. Okay. We're just going to trust the process. Drag it down. I'd rather it give super light than, you know, because at least we can fix that. Man. Well. All right, Rihanna. I'm going to trust you. I'm going to trust you. I mean, aside from the color, it feels okay. It doesn't feel heavy. Ooh, now I gotta make sure I get everything. It doesn't feel heavy on my skin, so that's a plus. It just looks really freaking yellow. And dare I say, that's like an issue that I can't get over how yellow it is. That's an issue that I've had with her foundations. Like, I recently brought another one of her matte ones, and it looked good when I put it on, but then when I looked in my pictures, that thing was yellow. So, and I feel like we're about to have a repeat with this one. And unfortunately in Saudi, when you buy makeup products, you cannot take them back. So basically I'm going to have to make it work. So the next thing we have is her We're Even Hydrating Longwear Concealer. And I've got the shade 315. So 315W. Shake it up because it's been sitting. Looks like this. Okay. We're going to oh, I like the applicator. It's very flat. Put that on. This thing. Come on, Riri. And then we're just gonna blend that in. I've been having issues with my concealers creasing a lot lately, so I don't know if it's how I'm setting them. I don't know if it's because like my under eye has been really dry or what, but like they've been creasing like crazy. So hopefully, being that this is a hydrating concealer, I don't have those issues, but we will see. I'm just gonna blend in the other one. And then I'm just gonna put whatever's left on the brush down below. Voila. Right. I'm getting ready to go to breakfast with some friends, kind of go my breakfast. So I gotta be ready in 30 minutes. But I think we'll be fine. Okay, so next I have two of her other products, but I'll come back and show you how those go after I finish my face. But well, let's do highlight. So we're gonna use the Fenty, what is it? Demi Glow highlighter in loose change. And this one arrived cracked, but this is the color that I just literally spilled everywhere. But whatever. Gonna go. We're just gonna. Oof, it's very. Oh, we're just gonna. Can y'all see? It's such a nice, subtle highlight. I know the girls are going away from highlight, but I'm still a highlight girl. And I feel like these are perfect for everyday wear. Perfect. Just gonna. Can y'all see that? So pretty. We're just gonna. And then we're gonna put some on her nose. Yeah. And it's definitely buildable. But that is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And once the makeup melts, yeah. Yep. So we're just gonna go in and put whatever's left on the cheeks. Just like that. It's pretty. Now we're going to do our lips and we'll be done. So I'm going to use ColourPop lip liner. I think this is BFF3. Yep, BFF3 to line my lips. like so. My lips are so dang crusty. And then we're gonna go in with hot chocolate, Fenty Gloss Bomb. Oh my gosh, stop trying to track me. It's trying to track me out, so sorry. And like so. And it's the heat one, so she gonna have a little tingle, but. And then we're gonna mix in Fenty Glow. It's the regular gloss bomb, just to lighten it up a little. Like so. It's definitely giving bronzed. And voila. We're gonna add some setting spray. I'm gonna comb down my hair, and then I will come back and give y'all my initial thoughts on the foundation. Okay, so this is the final result. I don't know how to take. What do you think? Zoom out. My age is showing now. My age is showing. Zoom out. What do y'all think? I think it looks good. Alright. I think it looks good. Maybe I'll come back and tell y'all how it wears. Maybe I won't. But I probably won't. I have 5 minutes to have to run out the door. So this is the final result of the Fenty. First impressions. The color is off. We won't. The color is off, but I mean, we're able to finesse it and make it work. It feels good on the skin. It feels really light, actually. And yeah, so we'll see how it holds for the day. Hopefully it does well. The concealer is lovely, and I think it's just the powder that I use, because I've been using the Jaclyn Hill powder palette, and I feel like it's been making my eyes look really, really, really light and dry. So might not use that no more. But the concealer feels good. It's definitely a light coverage. So yeah, keep that in mind. But baby, the highlighter, the what is it, the Demi Glow highlighters, I absolutely love it. Like, it gives your skin just the slightest glow without just looking like a disco ball, which we don't mind. But yes, absolutely love it. So that's it, y'all. Till the next one. JJ, this is for you. And yeah, if you've tried this foundation out, let me know down below what are your thoughts, whether you like it, you don't like it, and any recommendations for foundations that you want me to try, because your girl's a foundation junkie. So yeah, have a good day, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. All right. Okay, so I have to do a voiceover on this part because my lovely camera was recording in slow motion and I didn't realize it, so my apologies. But yeah, this is me after about 3 hours of wear with the foundation. I went to lunch and I ate. That's why I have no lip gloss or anything on. But yeah, this is me after 3 hours. No blotting, no touch-ups. For reference, I have combination skin, so I tend to get oilier in my T-zone. So my forehead, my chin, especially my nose, and then kind of normal skin for the rest of my face. But yeah, this was me just showing you how much of my oils had came through after about 3 hours of wear. And for reference, the temperature today was, I think, 105 degrees. So considering how hot it is, I think it definitely did an okay job. This would not be my everyday foundation. I probably wear this probably in the wintertime, maybe in the evenings for like a nice dinner or something. Nowhere where I would really need the foundation to kind of stand through the weathers, the elements, all that good stuff. So yeah. But yeah, this is it, you guys. This is me touching my nose to show y'all uh, how much of the foundation rubs off. It's clearly not transfer proof, nor do I think they advertise it as a transfer proof foundation, but I was just curious to see how much will come off if I touch my nose. And it's not that bad. Um, so yeah, I recommend if you want to try this foundation out that you go in store, get color matched. Um, and then I know back in the States, they do the actual samples that you can take home. I would recommend you do that before you actually commit and buy. Yeah, I would recommend you try that before you commit and buy a full bottle, just because the undertones of this foundation tend to pull more on the orange, red, or yellow side, and I don't want you to buy a product that's kind of expensive and you're stuck with it. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you guys in the next one, and be safe. Bye.